Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Dangin once again. I'm back with another video. So, today we are going to do our weekly Forex analysis or forecast as we normally do. So the first thing that we do, we normally look at Forex Factory for the upcoming news. So now looking at the upcoming news on Monday the 26th, here as you can see on Monday the 26th, we have a low medium impact. We have a medium impact news on EU and CHF and EU, and on, we also have on Tuesday we have CAD CPI, so you must watch out for this one. We have 2:30 p.m. we have CAD CPI. We also have medium CPI, CAD trimmed CPI. So yeah, at 2:30 p.m. we also have USD core durable goods orders. So this one is a medium impact news. So at 4 we also have USD news. This one is a high impact news. As you can see, CB consumer confidence. So yeah, on Wednesday we have AUDCPI. So watch out for this one at 3:30. Then we also have 3:30 EU ECB. President Lagarde speaks. We also have GBP Bank of England Gov barely speaks. JPY Bank of Japanese Gov Ueda speaks. We also have Fed Chair Powell speaks on USD. So on Wednesday we have a lot of news. You must watch out for that one. So on Thursday we have Euro all day, German Premium CPI. That is on Euro. On USD we have final GDP. We also have unemployment claims at 2:30. On Friday we have low medium impact on Friday. So we also have CAD GDP. We also have USD core price index. So that's all, guys. That's all. That's all, guys. So now let's get back to the chart and check our analysis is for the upcoming week. So we normally start with the dollar index, the DXY. We normally start with DXY, as you can see. So as you can see, guys, the DXY has broken out of this trend line. So it's actually a channel, as you can see, but we don't trade channels. We normally trade a break of structure. If you see a break of structure like this one, we see a break of structure here. As you can see, this is our break of structure. So now we are expecting a pullback now. Where? At this zone. If not at that zone, we look at the second zone. So we look at this second zone, which is here. So if the market doesn't respect this first demand zone, we look at the second one. So for now, the dollar is bullish on a H4. On H4, the dollar is bullish. So as you can see, we broke structure again on daily. As you can see here, we broke structure. As you can see on daily. So that is my view on if you are buying the DXY. Like the DXY is pulling back now, so we wait for the DXY to come at this zone, and once we see the bullish engulfing candles or the hammer or the evening star and then or morning star, and then we can buy, we can sell Euro USD, we can also sell GBPUSD, then we can buy US dollar JPY, or we can also buy a USD card. So that is my view on DXY, guys. That's my view on DXY. Now let's look at Euro USD. Now let's look at Euro USD. Now looking at Euro USD, as you can see, guys, we broke out. Oh, we had a break of structure, guys, to the downside on H4. We have a break of structure on H4. This is our break of structure on H4, as you can see. Now we put up our supply zone here. We put up our supply zone at this area. So we will wait for price to come back at this area. And then we sell. We sell, we target where? We target at this zone. So we target at this zone here. Break of structure, we wait for a pullback and then we sell. So we cannot buy for now. We are waiting for sales only. As you can see, that is my view on Euro, guys. Now let's look at GBPUSD. Now looking at GBPUSD, as you can see last week, we are also bearish. We are also bearish on GBPUSD. We are also bearish on GBPUSD. So what do we do now? Because we had a break of structure here. We have been breaking structure to the downside, as you can see. We had a trend line. This is a trend line. I mean, this is a trend, a downtrend. This is a downtrend. So we will wait for price to do what? Price to go up, grab liquidity at this high, and then we sell. That is my view on GBPUSD. As you can see that, okay, the dollar index is bullish, has broken structure on the H4 and daily also. So we are waiting for now price to do what? Price to come back at this zone here that we draw, a supply zone, and then we could sell. So that's my view on GBP USD, guys. Now let's look at the USDJPY. Looking at USDJPY, this one is bullish, guys. As you can see, this one, the structure on USDJPY has been bullish. The structure has been bullish. So now we are waiting for price to come back at this zone, this demand zone that we draw here, and then we do what? And then we buy. We're targeting this area here. This one is a hard time structure that we draw on a hard time frame. So now we are waiting for price to pull back in into this demand, and then we buy. Or if price break this zone, price break this zone, they will say pull back. We wait for a pullback and then we sell into this demand zone, and then we buy long term. So but the way I see it, we will not, the way I see it, we will not be breaking that zone. The way I see it, we could just come here this trend line for a third bounce, on this trend line, and then we buy. So that's my view on US dollar, guys. As you can see, we are completely bullish, guys. So now let's look at USDCHF. Now looking at USDCHF, is a bit confusing. So yeah, but at least we broke structure. At least we broke structure last week. On Friday we broke structure. So broke structure. Now we are at a demand. Now we are at a demand. So the way I look at it is just for the market to go up a bit and then retest and then proceed to go up. That's my view on USDCHF, as you can see here. So if that is what happens, I will wait for a pullback here at this. I will wait for a pullback here and then I'll put a buy after a retest here. I'll put a buy here. So this one is a strong zone, so that's my view on USDCHF, guys. As you can see, we broke structure to the upside, as you can see. So we didn't break this low. So meaning that we are moving now. We moved, we shifted now. We shifted now from bearish to bullish now, as you can see. So that's my view on USDCHF, guys. Now, okay, let's look at the US dollar CAD. US dollar CAD. Looking at US dollar CAD, guys, the market is bearish, guys. As you can see, the market is completely bearish, guys. There's no need to stress here because the market is making higher, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. So we are waiting to break this lower low. So as you can see, the Canadian dollar is too strong for the US dollar, as you can see. That's why you see the downtrend. The downtrend will continue because we came to where? We came to the supply zone there. We came to the supply zone. So if you would have put a sell here, you would be in profit. And you target where? You just target this low. You target this low here. So that's my view on USD CAD. I don't have a lot to say on US dollar CAD. I don't have a lot to say on US dollar CAD. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. Or if there is any currency pairs that we don't, or that we suggest we should include in our next analysis, you can comment down below, guys. Comment down below. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on our next uploads, guys. Subscribe, guys. So now this is my view on NZD US dollar, guys. NZD US dollar, as you can see, we break structure to the downside. We failed this one, this low here. It failed to break this high here. So now we change. We broke structure. This is a change of character here. We had a change of character here, as you can see. We had a change of character. Here is where we had a change of character. And then we had a break of structure. Now we are waiting for a pullback, guys. Now we are waiting for a pullback into this zone. So now you just enter a sell after price comes back at this supply zone, and then you target where? You target this low or you target here. So a 1 to 4 or a 1 to 5 is okay, guys. As you can see, guys, this one is a nice trade, guys. I suggest you take this one. You put this one in one of your A setup. Uh, uh, A setup, guys. These are part of my A setups. I will look at this. I will look at this one on Monday or Tuesday. I will look at this trade. I will look at this setup. So that is my view on NZD USD. Now let's look at gold, guys. Let's look at gold. Gold Oh, I took a loss. I took a lot of losses on gold. I took a lot of losses on gold the other week. So last week I took a lot of losses on gold. So yeah. So this is my view on gold, guys. So we had a break of structure to the downside. As you can see, it's a confirmed break of structure, guys. This is a confirmed break of structure, as you can see. It's a confirmed break of structure to the downside. So we were waiting for this one. We thought maybe the market would rise, would go up, but it couldn't go up. So the market came and break structure. This one was our last lower low. So now we are expecting a potential lower higher now. So it can be at this because there is liquidity here. We have a double top here. So the market could create a triple top and go grab liquidity and then it sells. So that's where I'll put a sell. Or if the market just opens on Monday, go higher, lower, break this structure here, and then I'll wait for what? I'll wait for a pullback, and then I would sell. So that is my view on gold, guys. That's my view on gold. These are my two scenarios on gold. So now let's look at AUDUSD, AUDUSD. Now looking at AUDUSD, guys, as you can see, we broke structure now. We broke structure. We went down. We broke out of this consolidation. And then we are waiting now for what? We are waiting for a retest. We are waiting for a retest, guys. This is clean, guys. This is clean structure, guys. So this is a lower low. So we are waiting for a lower high. Now, if a lower high is confirmed here, we put a sell. Okay, we would put a sell there. And we do what? We put a sell here. We put a sell here at this supply zone. And then we could target this low or we could target down here. So yeah, that is my view on AUDUSD, guys. That is my view on AUDUSD. So now let's look at Bitcoin, guys. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been bullish, guys. As you can see, this thing has been buying. It has been buying since it tapped into this zone here. It has been buying. It has been breaking structure to the upside. So now this one, the way I look at this one, this one is it's not a confirmed break of structure. This one, that one is liquidity grab. So the market went to grab liquidity on the upside. The market went to grab liquidity here on the upper side, and then it sold. From there the market sold, guys. This is liquidity. This is not break of structure. This is liquidity grab. So you must know when the market is grabbing liquidity and when the market is completely in the direction. So as you can see, the dollar index closed strong last week. So this week the dollar will be strong. So expect you must expect Bitcoin to drop. You must expect Bitcoin to drop. Once Bitcoin drops, let me say if Bitcoin breaks out of that consolidation, we must expect a pullback and then we sell. We must expect a pullback and then we sell. As you can see. So if Bitcoin breaks out of this consolidation, if it breaks out of this consolidation, guys, expect a pullback and then you sell. you target where you target this low here. So that's my view on Bitcoin, guys. That is my view on Bitcoin. So now let's look at the EURJPY. EURJPY. EURJPY has been moving in the way that I don't like. Looking at this EURJPY, we had a shift of the market here. The market shifted. Okay, the market tapped into this demand zone and then we bought. So it could either be like this. The market could either go lower and then it could buy, it could continue in that direction, creating what? Creating liquidity here. Creating liquidity here and then we buy. And then we buy. So that's my view on EURJPY. So there's a possibility of the market to come and hit here for the third time and then it would buy here. So that's my view on EURJPY, guys. That's my view on the EURJPY. I don't have more because the market isn't clear on now let's look at GBPJPY. GBPJPY. So GBPJPY is extremely bullish, guys. But this one is a confirmed break of structure. Let me check on daily if it's so we might be okay, the market might come and grab liquidity here and then it can continue in that direction. There's a possibility of the market coming to grab liquidity here at this zone and then it could buy, or so there are two scenarios here, or the market can just open, break, and then you could sell into this zone. And then the market does like this. There's a possibility of the market doing like that. So yeah, that's my view on GBPJPY. I don't have too much on GBPJPY. So join our free Telegram group. join our free Telegram group if you would like to receive more signals or other forex trading related materials like PDFs about our strategies, and or just to be in a community, because trading can be lonely. So I suggest you join a community. Like my community is for free, guys. I don't sell anything in the forex trading space. So I'm doing everything for free for now. I'm not selling anything. Our group is for free, guys. That is our VIP group. It's for free. You don't have to pay anything. So the link will be in the video description, or you can check in the comment. I can also drop it in the comment section. So that's my view on NAS, guys. Looking at NAS, the NAS last week it was dropping, so it broke a structure here, a change of character here. We had a change of character. The market went up at this zone, and then it sold. So this week you might be expecting the same thing, because as you can see, the dollar was strong, so we are expecting the same thing to happen here. So the market could either open and go up to grab liquidity at this highs, and then it sells. So that's my view on NAS, guys. I don't have too much on NAS because I don't trade NAS. So now let's look at USDT. USDT is also moving like NAS. As you can see, as I said, the dollar index was too strong last week. The dollar index was too strong last week, so we had a what? We had a change of character here. This is a change of character. This is our last low, higher low. So we broke it. Now we are expecting what? We are expecting the market to open and grab liquidity here at the upper side, and then we sell. We put our SL above this high, and then we target where? We target this low here. We target this low here. That's where we target. So that's my view on USDT. So I'll be looking at this one. So for you not to be left behind, guys, because I drop all the setups that I take, I drop in our free Telegram group, guys. I drop all of them in our free Telegram group. So be part of the group. You don't have to pay anything. I don't sell anything. I don't sell courses. I don't sell forex signals. I don't do mentorship, guys. So like the video, share the video, comment down below, guys. If you have any question, if you have any suggestion, guys, if you have any currency pairs that I didn't touch in this analysis, guys, feel free to drop the comment down below. If you find this video good, or if you get any information from this video, guys, like the video, comment down below, subscribe. So bye, guys.